week's Ask an Advisor series, where this series is specific for families with special needs. And I have to say, I'm having a lot of fun with this series because I too am learning new things, and the things I learn I want to share with you so that you can have your money go further. And we're going to do a two-part series, and this series is going to be ways that you can help save on your medical expenses. Right? We all know families with special needs often have a lot more medical expenses than a traditional family. What are ways that we can minimize taxes or use our pre-tax dollars to help fund those services, equipment, and medications so that we got more money that can go further to service our family or care for our family? And this is going to be a two-part. Today we're going to cover HSA and FSA accounts, and next week we're going to cover ways to be able, or when you can write off medical expenses on your tax return. HSA and FSA accounts are pre-tax accounts through your health insurance and through your employer. So some employers allow you to have HSA accounts or FSA accounts where you can fund it with pre-tax dollars. There's some employers who will actually contribute to that yourself if you're fortunate enough to have it. And more traditionally, these are used to help cover medical expenses such as co-pays, out-of-pocket expenses, and for medications. Right? And it's really tightly knit within that, and it can be really advantageous. But there are situations where you can use an HSA and FSA account for non-traditional medical necessary equipment, services, or even diets or exercising. And I want to give you some examples of how you can utilize this and take advantage of it for your family. And the first example I'm going to give is for someone who may have diabetes. Right, if you're someone with diabetes, it's going to be really important to focus on your diet. You're going to be able to eat some foods more than others in order to keep your diabetes in good order, right? Your blood insulin in good order. Well, if you have a doctor write a letter that's called a letter of medical necessity stating there is diabetes and that you need to have a very specific, strict diet, and this is going to cost this amount of money in order to do it, then you may be able to write off the expenses to maintain that diet and get reimbursed through your HSA and FSA account. Kind of crazy. Let me give you another example. Let's say you have a child with disabilities like Down syndrome or cerebral palsy, right? Some of these disabilities where some of our muscles aren't forming the way that we want them to, and so we really want to work on functionality. This is where occupational therapy comes in, or physical therapy, and fitness trainers come in. Well, if you have a doctor's note that says that it's crucial that they have a gym membership or a athletic trainer or fitness trainer in order to combat some of these conditions, then you can get reimbursed for it, which means if you paying for a gym membership, you might be able to pay for that gym membership with the doctor letter with HSA, FSA money, or pre-tax dollars. Incredible. That includes the trainer. That may even include special exercise equipment that you buy for the house. On an extreme case, it may even be a pool. Incredible, right? But these are tools that you can utilize where if you are buying something for the individual's purpose specifically, right? I wouldn't use it for other family members, but for the individual specifically, because the doctor says that's needed in order to help alleviate or improve the condition, then you can turn that into your healthcare provider and show that it is necessary. Here's the doctor's note, and you can get reimbursed through your HSA and FSA account using the pre-tax dollars. Take advantage of it if you got the opportunity. Next week, we're going to cover times when you're going to be able to write off medical expenses through your tax return. What are the rules and functions around that? So stay tuned. My name is Rhett Beal, and I look forward to seeing you next week.